First alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Arctic air in place. We know that it's only going to get colder before those temperatures moderate just a bit. A few light snow showers tonight, scattered snow showers on Sunday, another round Sunday into Monday. Now that time frame looks to be the best that we could see some minor accumulations into Monday morning's rush hour. We're going to watch this closely, of course. The main system coming through tonight, the best chance to see any light accumulations will really be near and north of I-69, maybe an inch to 2 inches. Anywhere else a coating or a dusting possible. I already fast forwarded to tomorrow, Sunday evening into Monday. This system, this next one, just skims the leading edge, and that may bring in, again, an inch or so of accumulating snow Sunday into Monday. Behind it, oh boy, the cold air just continues to pour in across the region. Temperatures tonight, we're down into the 20s, and we're looking at highs in the mid-30s for tomorrow. Stays very cold. As a matter of fact, the coldest day, Tuesday, with temperatures only in the 20s, back into the low 30s for the remainder of the week. A little bit, can we even say milder? Probably not, but temperatures go up just a bit by next weekend. Thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night and stay warm.